Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't done a colorful look in a while or a chatty tutorial in a while, so you get a two for today. I wanted to try something that I've never tried before. I've been really feeling the glossy lid trend, so that is obviously what I'm wearing today, glossy lids. Very fun. This is kind of just a fun, like, glam, tropical, gorgeous bronze look, so definitely keep on watching if you would like to see how to recreate this. So to try to get a little bit of that summer color that I definitely should have right now, I'm going to go in with the original Carli, Bybel, and BH Cosmetics palette because I love the bronzers in here. So pretty. They're just so glittery and pigmented, and I'm just gonna pop that all over my face and a little bit on like my upper body and my collarbones as well to kind of give a little bit of extra sheen. And I'm gonna start by going in with the second darkest one and just bronzing everywhere with that, and then I'll use the darker one for contouring. And then doing a little contouring under my collarbones as well, because why not? And then just using another e.l.f. brush, going in with a darker color, like I said before, contouring with that. So if I had actually spent literally any time outside this spring break, I would have a little bit of frecklage going on. Thank you, Florida. But since I haven't, I'm going to do some fake freckles. This is the Lord & Berry Brunette Magic Brown number 1706. And I've actually, this is gonna sound weird, let this sit in front of my computer fan a little bit to soften it up so that it is easier to create the freckles, if that makes sense. And I probably should have done this before I bronzed, but I'm definitely going to do it before I put on blush and just kind of add a little bit of frecklage in the middle section of my face. You can kind of see my natural freckles under here, but they're just not really popping out because it's 50 degrees and your girl's not going outside right now. So now I'm pretty freckled up, and I'm just going to take the same fluffy brush that I used to set my face. This is just an e.l.f. face brush, and kind of pat it in to make it a little bit more natural, and then I'm going to go in with my blush. So I think my freckles are looking pretty natural, so I'm just going to go in and do some blush using the Hikari Tango blush on a little It Cosmetics blush brush, and I love this brush. It's super like tropical and pretty. And then of course I'm going to highlight everywhere because I'm going for Tropical Bronze Goddess. So I'm going to use this gorgeous golden shade from the BH Cosmetics and Carli Bybel palette on a Real Techniques setting brush. Moving on to my eyes, I'm going to use this gorgeous orangey color Warmth from the Tarte Toasted palette, and I'm just going to apply that literally all over my lid and then blend it out really well. So to pack it on my lid, I'm using the Morphe 408 brush. And I'm just going to run it lightly along my lower lash line as well. I'm going to blend this out. I'm using an Elizabeth Mott blending brush to kind of just get a very smooth transition. And now that it's all blended out, I'm just packing a little bit more color on the lids. I'm going to do my eyebrows real quick using the NYX Cosmetics Tinted Brow Gel in 05. And I have to be really careful with this stuff. I'm not a huge fan because it sticks to everything, like skin, hairs on your face, not just your eyebrows, so it's kind of a pain in the butt. And I think I'm going to pop a little bit of highlight right on the inner corner as well, just because I can. My camera just cut out because it hates me, but I use the e.l.f. Super Glossy Lip Shine on a Coastal Scents BRC S17 brush. I used a synthetic brush so it doesn't ruin the brush. I can just wash it out, and I'll just touch it up real quick so you guys can see what I did. But basically, when I feathered it out right across the top so it kind of has a smooth transition. So my glossy lids are done, and I don't know if I want to use more of an electric red or like a subtle peach lip color. Okay, I'm going with peach, but I'm going to put a little bit of red in there anyways because I could not choose. So this is the Revlon Color Burst Lipstick in 075 Peach. And then because I can, I'm just going to pop a little bit of this red in the center of my lips. And by the way, this is the Mellow Cosmetics Matte Lipstick in Electro. So this is the final finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come on, what are you waiting for? The time is now. If you want to see more of me, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ilea. I would love to see you there, and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.